Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top fake Walmart receipt generators available online. Creating a fake receipt can be a fun prank to play on your friends or just an interesting way to enhance your design skills. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list. But before, please subscribe my YouTube channel and please do check out my website, link in bio. Invoice Home. First on our list is Invoice Home. This receipt generator offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to create fake Walmart receipts in just a few clicks. You can choose from a range of templates or start from scratch to create your own unique design. Invoice Home also offers a variety of customization options, including font style, color, and size, allowing you to create a receipt that looks just like the real thing. Receipt Generator. Next up is Receipt Generator. This tool allows you to create custom Walmart receipts on the go. With a wide range of templates to choose from, you can create receipts that look like they were printed straight from Walmart. Receipt Generator also offers a variety of customization options, including logo placement, text color, and receipt style, giving you complete control over the final design. Invoice Maker. Moving on, we have Invoice Maker. This receipt generator is perfect for those who want a simple and straightforward way to create fake Walmart receipts. With its intuitive interface, you can create a receipt in just a few minutes and customize it to suit your needs. Invoice Maker also offers a range of templates to choose from, ensuring that your fake Walmart receipt looks as authentic as possible. Receiptful. Next on our list is Receiptful. This generator stands out from the crowd thanks to its advanced customization options. From the font to the layout, you can tweak every aspect of your Walmart receipt to make it look as authentic as possible. Receiptful also offers a range of templates, so you can create receipts that look like they were printed straight from Walmart. Receipt Ninja. Last but not least, we have Receipt Ninja. This receipt generator is great for those who want to create realistic-looking Walmart receipts with minimal effort. With a range of templates to choose from, you can create a receipt that looks just like the real thing in no time. Receipt Ninja also offers a variety of customization options, including font style, color, and size, giving you complete control over the final design. So, there you have it. The top fake Walmart receipt generators available online. Each of these generators offers unique features that allow you to create realistic-looking Walmart receipts with ease. Whether you're looking to play a prank on your friends or just want to improve your design skills, these generators are sure to come in handy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.